Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Welsh. Welcome back to health class. I hope you all enjoyed just having a week to breathe. I know you were making that transition from home to school and maybe school to home, and maybe some of you are just at home online. So, whatever you're doing, I hope you are well. I hope you had a chance to catch up on some of the quizzes that we had given you a chance to rework and maybe even get a better grade. But anyway, today we're going to talk about flexibility. And this comes at a really good time because you are either all working, standing, and doing some sort of work with your trade in your core courses, or you're all sitting at a computer all day. And that gets a little stressful too. But we're going to talk about flexibility in the sense that it is part of an exercise program. You want to incorporate flexibility, strength, balance, and endurance. And you can see here in this article, they are the 4 types of exercise, and they don't need to be done every day, but is something that you want to incorporate into your routine. And there are different kinds of exercises, and they do incorporate the flexibility. For example, doing yoga, you can become more flexible, you have better balance, you have better strength, and you can do some lower body training that would improve your balance as well. Balance is good, you don't want to fall, and flexibility is great because you don't want to get to the point where you're carrying all your stress, or your muscles are tight in your neck, so you want that flexibility and take advantage of these exercises. And it does give you a little freedom to feel a little bit better, be a little more flexible, and hopefully avoid injury. So when should you stretch? You should, it's funny because a lot of times when people are instructing on working out or doing an exercise, they always say, hey, let's go stretch before we get going. But ideally, you should, after like running or any sort of, that cardio exercise or a strength exercise, you should stretch afterwards. So if you're going to go for a run, I think the best thing to do is to maybe do one of those boxer jogs side to side where you're just kind of shuffling your feet, or do a fast walk where you get your heartbeat up a little bit and get yourself into your heart ready to do an exercise. So what you're seeing is here on the screen, it says how much do I need to exercise, or how much do I need to stretch. So it's good to do stretching for 3 to 5 minutes when you're doing a stretching session. So always make it slow and smooth and to the point that it's comfortable. So you want to be safe when you're stretching. You don't want to stretch to the point where you're overexerting yourself and you pull muscle, or you create more pain, or you're stretching too far and then you're uncomfortable. So you want to breathe slowly when you exercise. You want to do it very slowly and give yourself about 10 to 30 seconds in each move. You should also never be jerky or bouncy. You can just breathe normally. You become more flexible each time you do a flex exercise. And you want to always keep your joints bent slightly and never lock. So if you're bending down and stretching to touch your toes, just do it slowly. Don't do it to the point of pain, and just practice each day so you get better each day. Flexibility is just so good for opening up your heart, your arms, your stride, and of course, to get rid of any kind of pain or anything you have going on in your neck and your shoulders from all this sitting at a desk or hunched over a project that you're working on. So give this video a look. I want you to take a moment, and it's a 10-minute video, and what you can do is watch it, follow the exercises, Even if you think it's uncool, it would be so good for you. Do a few of the exercises. A couple of the quiz questions will be from the video. So just take the 10 minutes, sit, breathe, do a couple of the exercises, and see if you can incorporate it into your day. Any questions or concerns? Anything you want to reach out and talk to me about? I'm always here, or Mr. Groves here. You have a great week, and don't forget to do your quiz. Have a good evening or day.